Welcome! This video is going to show you how to create a connection between Maralytics and Vend by Lightspeed point of sale, aka POS system. To transfer a sales transaction from a campaign between Vend by Lightspeed POS system and the Maralytics platform, a connection is required. Firstly, you will need to create a campaign before you set up the connection, as this is needed to track the sales between Vend by Lightspeed POS and Maralytics. On the left-hand side, click Campaign, then click Create Campaign. Here, you will put in your campaign name, your campaign type, and the start date in which this campaign is commencing, and also the end date. If you have any notes on this campaign, you can add them here. Otherwise, proceed to clicking Create. Here, you will find your unique campaign ID. Be sure to write this down so you can use it in further steps. Once you have done this, click the X on the top right-hand corner. Then you will add in your cost type, start date in which the payment will commence, and then also the cost value. In the notes section, add your campaign ID number and also the expiry date for this campaign. Once this is complete, click Add and Close. This will now bring up the new POS section. Here you will add the type of POS, Vend, and your domain prefix, which is your store name. In this case, we are using a test one, and our campaign name is here. Yours will pop up there as well, and add any other ones you are wanting to put underneath that one connection. In this case, we are only connecting the one campaign, and to simply remove them, you can just click the X. Once this is complete, click outside the box to remove the drop down, then click on Create. Here we will connect to the POS system for Vend. Again, add your store name here, then click Next. This is just about connecting your store to your Lightspeed account. Here, all you need to do is click Connect. Then it will bring you back to the Maralytics platform, connecting to the Vend POS. And as you can see here, we have the Vend connection between Maralytics and Vend by Lightspeed with our campaign ID and Uber Eats. This shows the connection status and status reflecting true, which is really important as this shows the connection is effective. And if you are going to be creating more campaigns in the future, then you will need to delete the existing connection and start the process again with all of your campaigns that you will run at that current period of time. The transfer of sales connections will only be for the campaigns that are listed in the current connection. So it is always good to check with which campaigns can be actively tracked. You are now all set up in creating connection between your Maralytics platform and Vend by Lightspeed POS system. All of your campaign data will now be transferred between the two systems. Happy marketing!